Hey guys! Welcome back sa ating tracker build and today is day 2. So ayun guys, previously sa ating last video sa part 1, ito siya.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the
So ngayon patuloy pa rin sa paglinis ng mga parts para sa preparation for painting. Ayan, yung makina at saka yung chassis. So tara!
we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go.
So ayan guys, mas okay na siya ngayon kumpara kanina. Yan. Tanggal na yung mostly of the mga mga grasa. Yan.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So ito siya guys. Hindi pa ito yung final na linis niya. Lilinisan pa natin ulit. Then prepare lang natin yung mga parts talaga for painting. So ayan guys, napilitan rin lang akong ihiwalay yung makina niya. Baklasin lahat. Dahil sobrang dumi ng chassis eh. Dun sa baba niya. Wait lang, ipakita ko sa inyo. Ayan siya, sobrang dumi. Grabe. So, okay na rin para malinisan ko lahat. Ayan. Daming grasa na ipon. So, ire-restore na lang natin buong chassis. So, ito siya guys. Isa-isahin ko siyang lilinisin ngayon.
We'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on.
So, ito na guys, yung ilalim niya, nalinis ko na. Although, meron pa siyang matitigas na, na dumi, na mancha na dito, okay na rin to since sa baba naman, hindi siya ganong nakikita. So, itong gilid talaga, itong magkabilang gilid, itong cover, tsaka dito, ang ipe-paint natin. Although, itong gitna, ganito na rin. Ganito na yung kulay niya, hindi ko na siya ipe-paint. So, ready for painting na tong mga to. doon naman tayo dumako sa ibang parts gaya ng chassis.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon.
So ayan guys, preparation for painting. Ayan, kailangan kong linisan yung mga parts na to. Tanggalin ko yung mga grasa, tatanggalin ko rin yung pintura nya, yung old paint, tapos saka natin i-primer. So ito siya ngayon guys. Ang daming dumi pa rin na natira. Tatanggalin ko lahat ng kailangan tanggalin dito. Yung mga yan. Yan.
Turn us to thousands, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and...
So ayan guys, hanggang dito na lang muna tayo since today is December 25. Walang nakabukas na mga store, dapat bibili sana ako ng paint. So tatapusin ko na lang muna dito. Nalinis naman na natin yung mga chassis, swing arm, yung mga ibang parts gaya ng makina. So ready for paint removal na yon, tapos saka na natin pipinturahan. So abangan nyo next video guys. Saka shoutout muna tayo. Shoutout kay Yamate Zenpai, kay Alfonso Di Mapilis Sabado de Fort. Ayan. Shoutout kay Hollow Razor, kay Kevin Chavez, J.E. Rosel. Shoutout sa inyo guys. Ride safe and God bless. hanggang dito na lang muna tayo. Peace!
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.